Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the camera button on your iPhone 17. So the camera button on the iPhone 17 is on the right hand side, which is this button which is flushed against the bezel. If you press on it, it's going to go ahead and open up camera. And if you tap on it specifically on something, you can also use visual intelligence. Now if you want to basically change that or even turn it off or change it to something else, first thing you're going to do is go to your setting. From your setting, you're going to go to camera. And at the very top here, you can see camera control. And they're going to tap on that. And right here, camera launch, which is selected right now, we're going to select on that. And as you can see, your default is camera, which it launches. You can also have it to be a QR code or a magnifying glass as the other option. Or you can also choose none if you don't want that camera button to activate or launch the camera. So these are the options to change it as you would like. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.